Welcome to our video on the most beautiful rose apple gardens you need to see to believe. If you are a fan of gardening, you know that there is nothing quite like the beauty of a garden in full bloom. And if you haven't yet experienced the beauty of rose apple gardens, get ready to be amazed. From the stunning colors to the delicious fragrance, rose apple gardens are a feast for the senses. With unique varieties and stunning designs, these gardens are a sight to behold. Imagine walking through a garden where the air is thick with the scent of fresh rose apples. Imagine seeing the most stunning colors of nature from deep purples to bright pinks and everything in between. That's the beauty of Rose Apple Garden. And it's not just about the beauty. Rose apples are also delicious and versatile, from jams and jellies to blade goods and drinks. There are countless ways to enjoy these unique fruits. But don't just take our word for it. Come along with us as we take a tour of the most beautiful rose apple gardens from around the world. Get ready to be inspired and to discover your own rose apple garden paradise. So, what are you waiting for? Watch our video and get ready to be amazed by the most beautiful rose apple gardens you need to see to believe. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the most beautiful rose apple gardens in the world. But if you are inspired to create your own rose apple garden paradise, we have some tips to get you started. First, choose the sunny location with well-drained soil. Rose apple love the sun, and good drain is essential to prevent root rot. Next, choose the right variety for your climate and space. Some rose apple trees can grow quite large, so make sure you have enough space for your tree to grow. And finally, fertilize regularly to promote healthy growth and fruit production. With a little bit of planning and care, you too can enjoy the beauty and bounty of your very own rose apple garden. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your rose apple garden today and experience the beauty and delicious of these unique fruits for yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration and tips.